Welcome, guys. So today we'll be meal prepping overnight oats. These overnight oats will have either blackberries, raspberries, or strawberries, or a combination on top of them. I will also be adding in a little bit of peanut butter. I will give you the initial recipe, guys, but everything else is optional. You put on top of you put what you want on your overnight oats. You don't have to do what I'm doing exactly. Do your own thing. It doesn't matter. Whenever I tasted it, in the end, my overnight oats were not as sweet as I would have liked them. So next time I will definitely be adding in a sweetening agent. So either honey or like a sugar of some type. I have no clue yet, but I will be adding in something else to make it just a little bit sweeter. And I want it just to be a little bit more, not thick, but I want it to be loose. I don't even know how to say that. I don't know. I want it to be a little bit more milky, if that makes sense. But right now, you'll just see me prepping all of my bowls. I started off with the oats, the oatmeal. Remember, guys, you need rolled oats for your oatmeal, for your overnight oats. And then I used the Greek yogurt. It's honey vanilla by Greek Gods or something like that. Everything you need to know will be in the description, guys. And if we're being completely honest, guys, I am winging it. Not necessarily winging it. I know what kind of consistency I wanted, and I know it's just the basic product. So you should measure. So I would say a cup of oatmeal to like a tablespoon of chia seeds to like maybe a dollop of yogurt. But me personally, I was just putting stuff in there. So I put in my oatmeal, then I put in my yogurt, then I added in my vanilla almond milk, and I just mixed that all together. Then you'll see me add in my chia seeds, and I saw a lot of people being like, you need to soak your chia seeds in water first before you put it inside of the overnight oats. But technically, that's what the overnight oats are doing. Your almond milk is what's going to activate your chia seeds, if that makes sense. So like I said, adding in the chia seeds, I added in a little bit more milk because I didn't like the consistency that I had. Mix that up, mix it, and then you're going to add that into your containers, and you'll see me do that as well. Guys, these overnight oats are a wonderful source of fiber. Me personally, I'm not a breakfast person. I'd rather eat steak and potatoes for breakfast. I want to eat a burger for breakfast. I want to eat pizza for breakfast. So I'm not really a breakfast person, and that is why I am doing these overnight oats. Just to get a little bit something different. I've been in the gym. I've been eating right. So I just need something to eat in the morning so that I'm not running on an empty stomach. I love fruit. Oatmeal is pretty okay. So I feel like me mixing in these things, it's going to be a good breakfast for me, especially whenever I leave the gym. If you need a quick breakfast option or you just want to add a little bit more fiber into your diet, this is a wonderful go-to. An amazing go-to. The taste was amazing. Like I said, I would prefer mine to be a little bit more sweet. So next time I will be adding in a little bit of honey or something. Maybe like some cocoa chips or something just to get that little sweetness that I really want. But after I finish putting all my oats inside of my containers, I added another dollop of yogurt to each one. I added some more milk to each one, just a little bit of milk, not a lot. And then I started putting my fruit on top, and this was in no like way or fashion. I just was adding what I felt like maybe I'd like, and what I had So I didn't have that many raspberries, and I had a few strawberries. So I was just trying to like, what's the word? I was trying to do what I could with what I had. So this is how it ended up going. I also added peanut butter to about 3 of my containers. I personally like peanut butter, but I'm also making these for my best friend and roommate. And I don't think she's really a peanut butter fan. So I just added it to 3, and then I added a little bit of cinnamon to the top of each of them. And this is me packaging it so that it can go in the refrigerator. And that's about it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below any suggestions or anything else you guys would like me to do that pertains to meal prepping, cooking, or skincare, guys. I will be so glad to do that for you. Bye.